Good morning. We are going to have some fun in my office, which is here. It's very cozy, and you can see some of the work I've done up there already. Anyway, it's right now cold. Very cold. 22 degrees. And that's going to change dramatically. Anyway, I'm going to do a little time lapse and have some fun. So as you can see, I'm using many different types of paint removal products. This is a blowtorch. I have, this is a infrared paint removal tool that I'll put in the link below. And I'm using a heat gun, which you don't see here. All of these really have specific purposes and uses. The infrared heat gun is fantastic because it doesn't promote a lot of fumes, and it works really, really efficiently. So I like that tool the best. Other important factors are the tools that you use. I have at least 5 or 6 different types of scrapers, whether I'm using contour or straight, it doesn't matter. There's a bunch of different tools that you've got to use in order to get all different surfaces done. You have to be careful with wood cutout and wood tear out, so that helps to know these things as well. All right, so we're going to set some nails, and that'll help get some more sanding done too. So just taking the nails out of the gun, place it over the sets it nice. I'll be able to pick some Bondo and fill that. Really anchors it in there. And what we're going to do now is finish sanding. I did all the scraping. So it's just a matter of sanding and knowing where to sand and etc., etc. You'll notice things like this, which will all get repaired. And I set all the nails yesterday. We're going to set some more nails today and start bringing this thing back to life. It's going to be a lot of repair work up here, especially on this stuff. But I've got a little jig that I use to set up, and I'll create a plane all the way across this, and then with filler, I'll be able to fill and create a whole new plane right there. Anyway, that's what we're doing today, and I'll be down to a t-shirt in about 5 minutes. Awesome fun. All right, talk to you in a minute. So this is the PVC trim that I was using to make that plane all the way along all of the trim. I filled down to it, and then I sand it before I take it off. And as you can see, it creates a nice thin line, and then I just join them all together and work my way around and across. And it really just does a great job of making it look like it was when it was new. And here's just some Bondo that I stuck up where there was a huge chasm up there. Okay, this is me caulking. It's lots of fun, but it's a critical part of it. I can't believe how many people just don't do it. I caulk every seam and everything. It smooths it all out and makes it look good. Hello. Okay, before we go inside and check out what's been done, I want to take a look at what's coming up so that you have an idea as far as contrast in regards to what it's going to look like when I have to get to that point. I'll just travel around here. Ooh, look at the snow on the roof. This is the damaged stuff that we're going to be dealing with when I move this tent. You can see a lot of it's not just paint that's peeling, it's also some wood rot, damaged wood from previous people who have stripped the paint using a hatchet or a chainsaw, which is really annoying. Anyway, you can get an idea as far as what it looked like before. So let's go inside and check out what it looks like now. All right. Whew, it is cold out. It's actually 11 degrees outside, which is, I believe, 11 degrees Celsius as well. That doesn't happen often. Okay, so here's my crib, and it's nice in here. And let's check out what it looks like now. So I had a lot of fun putting this back together again. You can kind of see some of the details and how it's been cleaned up. All the edges have been restored all the way around. It was a lot of fun. It's fun bringing stuff back to life, especially when it was in such bad shape. It was in really bad shape. And now it's not. And because of the painstaking process, you get an idea of how long it's going to last. So anyways, like I said, it was 11 degrees outside. No heaters are on. I do want to maintain 45 degrees in here for a while so the paint can cure before I move this thing. And let's look at the thermostat. What do we have? Oh yeah, a nice balmy 82 degrees. And that's no joke. Anyway, this gives you an idea as far as what I do and how I do it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, hasta la vista. Ciao. Arrivederci. I don't know. До свидания. Goodbye.